Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef fry at home. First, select a good quality beef cut, like sirloin or round, ensuring it's fresh. Slice the beef into thin, even pieces, roughly 1/4 inch thick, for consistent cooking. Next, prepare your marinade by combining ginger-garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and a touch of salt. Marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes to infuse the flavors deeply. After marinating, it's time for the initial cook. Place the marinated beef into a pressure cooker with a small amount of water, perhaps 1/4 cup. Cook until the beef is tender, usually around 3 whistles on a standard pressure cooker. This step ensures the beef is perfectly soft before frying. Once cooked, drain any remaining liquid thoroughly. This is crucial for achieving that crispy texture later. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a wide, heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. Add the pre-cooked beef in batches if necessary, avoiding overcrowding the pan. Fry the beef, stirring frequently, until it develops a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy exterior. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your heat and beef quantity. To elevate the flavors, let's add a tempering. In a separate small pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard seeds, allowing them to splutter, then add curry leaves and sliced onions. Sauté until the onions are golden. Pour this aromatic tempering over the fried beef and mix thoroughly. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Your homemade beef fry is now ready to be enjoyed, perhaps with some hot rice or paratha.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.